Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Volkswagen Polo. This one is a Volkswagen Polo from 2017, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, we'll start right away. First of all, turn the ignition on, or press the ignition on. Then we're gonna use these buttons over here. Find driving data. This one over here, driving data. Once you're there, scroll down to find the range. Yes, this one. Press OK once, then press OK for 4 seconds and release after 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you release it, you'll see that the service menu appears on your screen like this. Use the arrow button once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. Use the arrow button to reset oil servers. Press OK. It asks you if you want to reset oil servers. Press OK again, and you'll see that the service interval has been reset. There are some other menus. You can watch them. Tire pressure and a close button. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.